Let's talk about how to tread water as a beginner swimmer without getting tired. Most of the time people are working so hard and we get so exhausted, we don't know how to do it. So here's the first tip. The first thing is you actually want to start out underwater. If you start out like I am, I'm holding my head out right now using a bar, but if I start with my head up, I'm perpetually having to work hard to begin with because I have to try and keep my head up. As soon as I let go of the wall, my body wants to go down. So instead of fighting the go down, I want you to start with being underwater and see with curiosity, what does it take to get myself up? I was only coming out for very short periods of time just to experience, oh, this is what it takes just to get to here. The other key thing to notice is I didn't breathe. I used the wall for the breathing.
Just popped out of the pool to pop in and see, would you love to share Come Within Adult Swim with your friends or your students? We have an affiliate program. Pop down on the links, see if it's right for you to earn a little commission and share a little love.
The other place that I can go to is use my back float. Oh yeah, I know how to breathe on my back. That's easy. Okay, now I'll try and vertical again. I use my back float for my breathing parts. If I want my treading water to be easy, I need to build it up that way with small little steps, being curious about how to come up. It isn't until I can figure out how to maintain up for about 10 seconds or so, then I could go back and add my breathing. Can I hold it for 10 seconds? Well, if I'm talking, I'm breathing. So yes, once I figured out how to stay up for a little bit, then I can add my breathing. Notice too how I'm practicing and playing with this in close proximity to the wall, or I use my back float. I always have to have an easy way to get air, an easy way to rest and recover, and not push into it till I get super tired. If I keep going and going and going till I'm overtired, it gets hard to catch up to it. So just dip into a little bit of tiredness, but then give yourself the rest. Then I can play with it a little bit again and give myself the rest. Treading water in and of itself is never restful. Floating is where we get our rest. Being down under the water is where the most restful and easy. We build up to it as we get more and more efficient with how to use our arms and legs for treading. Have fun!